create a file where we can write our new class definition, including the methods that we're going to add. Here's the class definition as we had typed it in the shell. We can add methods to our class. Let's add one that returns true if a word starts and ends with the same letter, and returns false otherwise. Following the design recipe, the first step is to come up with examples. We'll create a wordplay stir where the first and last letters are the same. Then, when we call our function that we're writing, maybe we'll try same start and end. We hope that it returns true. If we create a wordplay stir where the first and last letters are not the same, then when we call our method, we expect false as the result. The name same start and end for our method seems fine, so let's fill in the header. There is one parameter, which we call self. That's the wordplay stir that owns this method. The type is wordplay stir, and this method returns a Boolean. Description is return whether self starts and ends with the same letter. Because class wordplay stir inherits from class stir, we have access to all of the string functionality. That means that we can use indexing. We can look at index 0 and compare to the letter that is at index -1, and same start and end should produce true if those two are the same, and it should produce false otherwise. This won't work on an empty string, so we'll add a precondition to forbid that. Let's add an if name equals main section at the bottom to try out our dot test. We run it, our tests pass. It's important to note that we haven't changed class string. It doesn't know about these new methods. Only our subclass, wordplay stir, has the ability to check to see if it has the same start and end character. We'll see a deeper explanation of classes later in this course, but you are now ready to tackle Python's unit test module.